opening of the video right there. What's up, guys? It's Brandon with Extreme Daily Drivers, and we are always balling on a budget and wrenching our garage. I am here today at the Eibach Orlando show, and you would not believe what I found. I found Kristen here and her '89 Honda Prelude. So guys, here's the '89 Prelude. Kristen, can you tell me when you got it? Tell me the story behind it.
Picked it up in 2000, 2002 when I worked at a Honda dealer out in Columbus, Ohio. I'm the third owner. It was $900. It was a little ratchet. Had 200,000 miles on it when we picked it up.
Kristen, this is literally like the nicest Honda Prelude I've ever seen in person. Tell me about what you've done to the car, because it's absolutely gorgeous.
Well, we turbocharged it around 2004, junkyard turbo, pulled it off a Volvo, pulled parts out of a Mitsubishi, Saab, and threw it together. And over the years, we've upgraded some of the parts to nicer parts, but as you can see under the hood when we open it, it's still pretty ratchet.
So tell me about the bodywork. What have you done to the body to make it look so beautiful?
Well, we got a few of the last quarter panels in the country and cut in new quarter panels, rockers. It was pretty rusted out as it was an Ohio car most of its life. We had it fully repainted at that point and decided not to paint the carbon fiber hood and leave it kind of OG how it was back in the 2000s.
How did you do the headlight covers? What is this?
I found a kid that worked at Target that was starting to mess around with wrapping carbon fiber.
Oh my God.
He made these for me for $80.
Oh my God. That guy could be rich right now if he still was doing it. This is impossible. This is not something you could find.
But there are many parts on this car that had to be custom fabricated. Nobody makes aftermarket for a B20. It's not a CRV B20. It's literally a Prelude B20. It sits at an angle. I mean, everything is unique about this car.
So we were talking earlier about your intake or your exhaust manifold for the turbo, and we were talking about possibly being lewd speed. Do you think it is?
Oh, it is. I worked with him.
Okay. It's freaking classic. Like throwback stuff on here is insane, man. Tell me about these brakes, because they are ridiculous. They're like freaking china dishes on here, these big bear calipers. So what was your thinking on this? What'd you do?
Well, designed for a Mustang, but found some guy that had a rare Integra Bear kit. They started to dabble in the import market, which they never really took off. But we'd have plates modified so that we could mount these calipers to the steering knuckles, so that I was able to use the big brake kit.
So, and you're telling me this thing stops like incredible, man.
Oh yeah, the back end will lock up and smoke. I mean, without any effort at all. I mean, but it likes to slide. It likes to slide instead of stop.
And these are 17-inch wheels, and you can't. We were talking earlier about possibly going to 16, but with these brakes, there's no way. There's no way. It's got to be 17. But it looks great. It's great. You're on K Sports. We talked about that earlier too.
Yeah, and custom spring rate in the rear.
And you've changed out a number of the bushings too, right?
Yeah,
I mean, over the years, all this
white
stuff.
line sway bars underneath.
Oh my God, you got white line sway bars. They're impossible to find.
Yeah.
When you're ready to sell those, you let me know. So thank you so much for letting me show this on my channel. Tell me about future goals, what you got in store, what are your hopes and dreams? Are you ever going to sell it? Because I'm sure there are people that want to buy it.
I get asked often if I want to sell it. It has sentimental value to Jeremy and I. My first husband, Ryan, has a lot of blood, sweat, and tears in this car like I do, and I don't really think I could put a price on it.
Right.
You add up all the mods that are in this car and the $12,000 to $15,000 then spent on it, and I mean, future mods, maybe just upgrade a few of the parts that are in there, get the engine powder coated, do a wire tuck, fuel rail. Somebody was here was talking about maybe helping out making a fuel rail. That would be nice.
We actually, when we were doing the test drive, we were talking about cam swaps too.
Oh yes,
possibilities for swapping cams and adjustable cam gears.
I have adjustable cam gears on there.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I didn't know if you saw it, but I have the valve cover cut out on the side there, and I have adjustable gears in there.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, listen, thank you so much for letting me show the car. Guys, please subscribe. And Kristen, this thing's amazing. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.